Hi, I'm Corey.
And I'm Joel. We're the brothers behind Pzazz Kapiti.
Our dad, Rudy, formed Pzazz Kapiti with a vision to create beautiful homes and spaces for families.
Dad taught us the importance of quality and craftsmanship and the attention to detail, and to treat every client like family. Something that sets us apart from other building companies is we have our own in-house design team. This design team allows us to bring our plans to our clients at a much more affordable cost, speeds up the entire process, and helps us work very closely with our designers to bring the client's dream to paper.
We have a great team behind us, our staff are fantastic, and everyone knows what the end goal is.
Clients trust us because we're not just here for the one-off builds. We're here to create a relationship that lasts into the future. Join the Pzazz family. Let us bring your vision to life.